Carmarthen is a good place to come to for an argument. When I was born here, it lay between a traditional farming area and a mining community, and it gave me my Welsh identity. What I would also like to share with people here is a European identity, though I'm not sure that they want that.
What do you feel in yourself? Do you feel a European?
No, not really. I don't think so.
So what would you say you feel? You feel like a Carmarthen man, a Welshman, a Dafydd man?
I feel like a Welshman in Dafydd.
I just can't see working for us at the moment, because we're making nothing down in this part of the world.
Just because of my age, I think always being an island and always thinking of myself as an island and always thinking that strip of water stopped me from being invaded, etc., etc.
We should have been brought up to learn other languages. They do that in Europe, don't they? They learn English straight away. And I think that's, people in Britain will miss out a lot because of that.
No, I think Britain's an island in its own right. And it should stay that way.
We like it to be an island, definitely.
I feel we should be drawing closer together so that we can solve problems like Yugoslavia and any other problems that are going to happen, which I'm quite sure will happen.
20 years into membership of the European community, I wonder why the Welsh and the British are such reluctant Europeans.